Ikundi ITHATU itari cia githirikari iria ni hamwe na kiama kia mawakiri LSK, ngwataniro ya arigitani hamwe na gikundi gia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu kia Amnesty International ni irekereirie riboti igi uthuthuria wa kana maabitha borithi ni mahuthirire hinya mukiruku kungethanira na arurungani hindi ya mirurungano ya Azimio kaunti-ini cia Kisii na Kisumu. Kuringana na riboti ya ikundi ici, andu 28 nio makuite na wandu 41 magatigwo na nguraro njuru na borithi 11 makigurario mwena wa Nyanza na Western. No hari uthuthuria wao muthia-ini wa mweri muhituku wonanitie andu 10 nio makuire itena-ini ria mwisho ria mirurungano kaunti-ini ya Kisumu na Kisii na andu 107 magitigwo na nguraro 47 ao ari nguraro cia rithathi.
So at the time when we undertook the mission, the team found 16 survivors recovering in various hospitals, and 11 bodies were in morgues in Kisumu.
We also learned that the county governments of Kisumu and Kisii waived all hospital and morgue fees for victims and survivors of the protests.
Ikundi ici ni ciokereire maabitha borithi ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku guku makiorota munene wa borithi JAPHET KOOME ni kwaga kurekereria ndumiriri nginyaniru igie ni andu 100 makuite aria maguraritio na aria manyitetwo makinyita itemi mirurungano-ini ino.
There were cases where children or young people were arrested, kept in police cells for about 3 or 4 days and then released without a charge.
Accountability cannot be negotiated in a democracy. The National Police Service Act is clear on how police need to conduct themselves.
Ni mongereire kuga ati ni mekwambika cira igoti-ini niguo maabitha borithi matigage gukuruhanio bara-ini cia uteti makiendekithia maundu maria mahanikire hindi ya mirurungano makorwo muhari-ini wa mbere miario-ini ya uiguano iria irathie na mbere iria tanyitwo kwambiriria ica ikuhi.
We intend to use that information to petition them to, as they undertake those discussions, to make it a matter of interest, and we are ready and prepared to even go to court.
No na gutuika uthuthuria wa ikundi ici ndona kuruhania kaunti ingi ta Nairobi na oho matinarekereria riboti ya ni ciana cigana ciahutirio ni mirurungano ino ni maugite ni maraniirie na mucirithania munene Martha Koome kumahe ndumiriri ino riu makihinyiriria kurihwo gwa family iria ciahutirio ni mirurungano ino.
We'll also pursue compensation for the victims, and we'd want to pursue personal responsibility, particularly for the police commanders that we are able to establish.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.